Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how to permanently delete your Strava account using the Strava app on your phone. If you want to remove your account and all your activity data, this video will guide you through the process. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Delete Your Account. Next, you will be prompted to log in to your account again for security purposes. Then, you will see a checkbox asking whether you have downloaded your data or do not want to download it. Make sure to select the option that applies to you. Finally, click on Request Account Deletion. Strava will then send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open the email and click on Delete Your Account to confirm the deletion. Click again on Delete Your Account. This will complete the process and permanently remove your account and data from Strava. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.